Good morning, all. This is the separation of substance. That is chapter number 5. These are the notes. This is the revision. First, we will see the pure substance. What is the meaning of pure substance? So, many substances are combined together. That's called the mixture. But if you will find the one element, single element in that particular compound, that's called pure substance. For example, if you see water, salt, copper, iron, these all are the pure substance. Second, you have been given that is the impure substance. What is the meaning of impure substance? Which is containing more than one type of element is called impure substance. The impurity, when the pure substance is having any another element that is not useful for that particular mixture, is called impurity. Now, what is the mixture? When you are mixing more than two substance which contain more than one component is called mixture. You have been given the example, that is nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, dust particle, etc. In that one you have been given the homogeneous mixture. What is the meaning of homogeneous mixture? It is the mixture which is the particle of substance present cannot be seen. It is called homogeneous mixture. Like suppose you have been given the example of sugar solution. In that one you cannot separate sugar and water. Okay, that's the example of homogeneous mixture. Next is heterogeneous mixture. This is also not there in your syllabus, but then too you have to remember that. What is the meaning of heterogeneous mixture? So it is the mixture in which particles of the substance present cannot be seen. It can be seen easily and we can separate it, like sand and water. Sand and water, if you will mix it together, you can see the sand particle and the water differently. That's called heterogeneous mixture. Next is need for the separation. What is the need to separate the mixture? First is to remove the unuseful or the harmful substance from the mixture. Second is to obtain the useful component. Third is to remove the impurities to get the pure substance. Next is principle of the separation. Separation के principles क्या है? The first is to the substance present in the mixture retain their original properties. So whenever you are separating the mixture, the substance are having their original properties in it. So it will not change the particle size, density, melting point, boiling point, or volatility. Okay, all the characteristic will remain same. Next is we use the different kind of method for the different kind of mixture. That depends on the substance, which kind of substance are there in the mixture. Next, we have given methods of separation. In this one, methods of separation, we are having hand picking, winnowing, sieving, and magnetic separation. In this one, hand picking, winnowing, and sieving and magnetic separations are the physical method. And the next, sedimentation, decantation, loading, filtration, evaporation, sublimation, distillation, churning. These all are the method which is chemical method, and that's useful. Chemical method, why I say chemical method? Because it is using some of the instrument which is on the scale of chemical laboratory scale. Next is churning, that is centrifugation method. It is the process of separation of the lighter particles of the suspended solid from the liquid. In this one, what we have to do? We have to rotate particular. We have to move a particular liquid in with the very high speed. So we can separate this material. We can separate the material from that suspended particle from that liquid. Next is condensation. What is the meaning of condensation? So here they have given that the process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid form is called condensation. उसको हम condensation बोलेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज कंडेंसेशन इज़ यूज फॉर द वाटर वेपर ओनली. उसको वाटर वेपर के लिए हम यूटिलाइज करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. क्रिस्टलाइजेशन इज ऑब्टेन टू गेट द प्योर सब्सटेंस. दिस you have done also in the form of assignment. You have been given the activity that you have to get salt from water vapor, water solution, salty solution. So what you have done, you have boiled it. So water has been converted into the water vapor, and salt is obtaining in the form of solid powder, and it is also maintaining its property. That is called crystallization. In the form of this one, you will be getting the salt in the pure form. Next is decantation. It is the transfer of clean liquid from one vessel to the other without disturbing the settled particles. This one we can give the example that if suppose you are mopping, आपने mop करने के बाद वो पूछा ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया. तो if you will see in the night that in that bucket that the dust particle has been settled down at the bottom, so you will pour water slightly. आप water को pour कर लोगे, तो that is called decantation. Then we have been given evaporation. Evaporation means we are converting water liquid into water vapor. That's called evaporation. देन फिल्ट्रेशन, फिल्ट्रेशन जो होता है, फिल्ट्रेशन मीन्स इट इन दिस वन वी आर सेपरेटिंग सॉलिड मटेरियल, इसमें हम सॉलिड मटेरियल को लिक्विड मटेरियल से सेपरेट करेंगे, दैट्स कॉल्ड फिल्ट्रेशन. Then hand picking method, hand picking method in this one, this is a traditional method that we are using, and one thing is remaining in filtration. In filtration we are using filter paper, it is the specific paper for the filtration. Then loading, it is the process of faster sedimentation by suspending alum to liquid. This is the last one. Afterwards we will continue with the sedimentation in the next video, so I'll complete this with the loading. That loading means we have to, in this one loading is used for the suspended particle. Suspended particle, it means it is very fine particle, बहुत small particles होते हैं. If you want to separate this fine particle from the liquid solution, we have to use this loading method. What we have to do, we have to use फिटकरी alum, we have to tie it and we have to hang it in the solution. Solution के अंदर hang करोगे तो फिटकरी की वजह से वो जो fine particles है, solid particles, they will be become heavy and it has been settled down, वो settle down हो जाएगा, and then we can filter it. Okay, that's called loading method. This much only. Next we will see in the next video.